Have you ever wondered what the very first virus was? I mean, we're all too familiar with viruses now, especially after the last few years. But where did they all begin? What was the OG virus that started this epic, billions of years-long saga? Well, the answer is complicated. It's like asking, what was the first thought? Viruses don't leave fossils. They're basically just tiny packets of genetic material, DNA or RNA, wrapped in a protein shell. They're ghosts in the biological machine. So scientists can't just dig up a T-Rex bone and find a fossilized flu. But by studying the genetics of modern viruses and their hosts, we can trace their family trees way, way back. And I mean way back. Back to a time before animals, before plants, before even complex cells existed. We're talking about a world teeming with single-celled organisms, a primordial soup of life. So, here are the three main theories about where that first virus came from. First, there's the virus first hypothesis. This idea is wild. It suggests that viruses actually existed before cells, that in that primordial soup, bits of genetic material were floating around, and these were the ancestors of viruses. They were just simple replicators. Only later, when the first cells evolved, did these pre-viruses find their first victims, their first homes. So, in this version of the story, viruses aren't just ancient, they're life's pioneers. Second, we have the escape hypothesis. This theory suggests that viruses are cellular escape artists. Imagine a long, long time ago, a piece of genetic material inside a cell, maybe a bit of DNA or RNA, somehow learned to break free. It developed the ability to copy itself and build a little protein disguise, allowing it to escape its home cell and invade others. It was a rebel gene on the run. So, viruses aren't a separate form of life, but more like rogue pieces of our own cellular machinery. And third, there's the reduction hypothesis. This one pictures a small, simple cell that had a parasitic lifestyle. It lived inside a larger cell. Over millions of years, it got lazy. It thought, hey, my host is doing all the work. Why do I need all these genes for making energy or building my own stuff? So it started shedding genes it no longer needed, eventually becoming so stripped down that it could no longer survive on its own. It was no longer a cell. It was a virus, completely dependent on its host. So which one is it? A pre-cellular pioneer, a genetic escapee, or a lazy, shrunken-down cell? The truth is, it might be all of the above. Different viruses we see today might have come from different origins. It's a mind-bending puzzle, right? The first virus might not have been a single entity, but an idea that life stumbled upon multiple times. An idea for a tiny, efficient, and ruthlessly successful ghost in the machine. So next time